Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice algebraic problem. 5 numbers are in arithmetic progression which product is 2520 and sum is 25. So we have to find out that series, right? So let's start. Let arithmetic progression in which 5 numbers is A minus 2d. First term A minus d, A plus d. According to condition, sum is 25, right? So A minus 2d plus A minus d plus A plus A plus d plus A plus 2d, right, is equal to 25, right? So if we simplify this, we get 5A is equal to 25. So A is equal to 5, right? Now we will apply second. Product is this, okay? So A minus 2d, A minus d into A into A plus d into A plus 2d is equal to 2520, right? Now this and this, A square minus d square, right? And this, A square minus 4d square, right? And A is equal to 2520, right? As A is equal to 5, so 5 and 25 minus d square, and here 25 minus 4d square is equal to 2520, right? Because A is equal to 5, right? Now 25 minus d square, 25 minus 4d square is equal to this over this. So 504, okay? If we multiply this and this, we get 4d to the power 4 minus 125 d square plus 625 is equal to 504, right? So 4d to the power 4 minus 125 d square plus this and this 121 is equal to 0, right? Now 4d to the power 4 minus, if we break this as 4d square minus 121d square plus 121, this is equal to 0, right? If we take 4d square as common, So d square minus 1 minus here as 121 as common. So d square minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So d square minus 1 into 4d square minus 121 is equal to 0. Fine. Now we have two cases. D square minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4d square minus 121 is equal to 0. Fine. So d is equal to plus minus 1 and here d is equal to plus minus 11 over 2, right? So arithmetic progression will be, if we take plus sign, so as we have series a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d, right? So if we take plus sign, so we get 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? If we take minus sign, so 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. If we take plus sign this, so we get minus 6, minus half, 5, 21 over 2 and 6. Okay friends, thank you.